Are you struggling to access a nested form array in Angular? You're not alone. This is a common challenge for many developers. Today, we're going to break it down and show you how to get that form array name when it's nested inside another form array. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when you think you've got everything set up correctly, but then you hit a wall trying to access nested structures. This is a common issue, and we're here to help you navigate it. Here's the specific question we're tackling today. One user asked, how do I get the form array name when the form array is nested in another form array? They provided a code snippet that works for a single form array, but runs into trouble with nested ones. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. To understand the issue, let's look at the structure. When you have a form array nested inside another form array, accessing the inner form array requires a different approach. You can't just use a simple getter like before. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that will make working with nested form arrays a breeze. To access a nested form array, the user needs to create a getter that targets the specific form group first. Let's start by modifying the existing code to include a getter for sister cities. Next, the user should update the HTML template to use this new getter. This will allow access to the sister cities form array for each city. Now, the user can add sister cities dynamically. They should ensure that the form array for sister cities is properly initialized within each form group. Finally, the user should implement a method to add new sister cities to the form array. This will enhance the functionality of the form. Fun fact, did you know that Angular's reactive forms were inspired by the way we build forms in real life? Just like in real life, we often have forms within forms, and Angular makes it easy to manage that complexity. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user involves using the form group name directive. They suggest 3 key steps. First, use form group name with the index of the city. Second, ensure that form control name matches the name used when initializing the form group. Lastly, iterate over the form array controls within the same div that has the form array name attribute. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always structure your form groups and form arrays logically. This will save you a lot of headaches when trying to access nested data. And there you have it. You should now be able to access nested form arrays with ease. Remember, structuring your forms properly is key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on Angular.